Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. Here we go. This will be a Chanel unboxing. So we've got, as usual, a small Chanel ribbon attached to the paper bag. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's a small leather good. So we've got the receipt with the price. Then we've got a little booklet with care and maintenance of the object, and here you can see it's a small leather good. Then we've got this big card, and when we open it we've got this soft tissue to take care of the small leather good, and also a guidance booklet. So that was all inside of it. Now we go back to this. So you know it's a small leather good, but it has got this type of booklet with this smooth cloth. So you know that this is actually a bag. And let's see together. Ta-da! Voila! This is a Chanel wallet on chain. It is not the classic wallet on chain with the very small CC logo. We've got here a CC logo. You can see the details right here. And it's a very smooth leather, a buttery smooth leather, lambskin. Also, when I touch this, I have my gloves on, but even with the gloves, it's very, very smooth. You can listen at the sound. This is a very luxurious leather. It reminds me of vintage Chanel leather. I need to say that it was very, very impressive to see this lambskin leather in the shop, because the one lambskin I usually see at Chanel that is used on the classic flaps, for instance, I need to say that on the classic flaps they look a bit plasticky, but here it's not the case. It's very, very shiny. Look at this shine. And it's very smooth, buttery, smooth leather. Very, very nice touch. It has got this luxurious touch of leathers. It has got this quilted classic Chanel pattern. We've got the chain, and you can see this is not the classic chain with the leather. This is actually an adjustable strap because of this little item here. If you press the button, then you can shorten it just like this. And you see, for instance, now it is shortened. You could also shorten it more. And now it could be used as a shoulder bag. And yes, as it was before, you could use it on the very long side as a crossbody bag, of course. And in the inside, so to open it, you just turn this. And we can open. We've got a little felt to protect this bag with the logo inside, Chanel. We've got one more paper to protect here, and we've got 6 card pockets, one big compartment, one zipper here. The serial number, of course. and one slip pocket at the front. So yes, it is a wallet on chain, but you can see this shiny leather. I think it's just gorgeous. It looks so luxurious. The inside here is also lambskin leather. This bag is made in Italy. What you need to know is that most wallet on chains, but I'm not sure if every wallet on chain is made in Italy, but most of the wallet on chain I see are made in Italy. Also, this is not, let's say, a classic wallet on chain. It's not a classic bag of Chanel, and most of their bags are made in Italy if they are not from the classic line. So as this is not a classic wallet on chain, it's more probable that it's made in another country, as in France. But as I said, I think this leather was just so smooth that it reminded me of some vintage bags, and I really liked that about this leather. You can also see that the craftsmanship is quite good. The flap is aligned, every quilt. Also the quilted pattern is aligned. That's very nice. And in the back of the bag we've got one more pocket here with some tissues to protect. What I didn't tell you is that the inside of the zip pocket is made out of fabric, but the slip pocket at the front is again leather. And this chain. So with this we adjust the strap as we want. But if you want, you could also wear it as a clutch. For instance, you could also wear it like this as a clutch. But there's one more way to wear this bag. So the one more need to pull on this. Here you've got like a small chain to hold it on your wrist, for instance, if you want. But you could also hold it with your hand to have a small bag. And I find it's interesting to be able to wear it in these different ways. I think it's also a plus. And just look at this. The CC logo is just so well made with these details. And look again at this leather. It is so smooth, guys. It's such a pity that you cannot touch this, but it is so smooth. That's crazy smooth. It is really like, this softness is like a Chanel vintage bag. Look at this sheen. It's crazy. That's why I love this bag. It's very luxurious. You can have a look precisely. Okay guys, so here we are already at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation of this wallet on chain. Please let me know if this gives some vintage Chanel vibes, especially because of this lambskin leather. Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked this video and you enjoyed it, then please give me some thumbs up. That would really make me so happy, and I will continue doing some videos for you guys. So feel free to follow me for the next video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.